What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix Realme C75X is not turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, plug in your charger. After plug in your charger, then open your settings and scroll down in last and click on system and update. After clicking on system and update, then click on software update, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.